Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. The TCL 60XE Nxtpaper is a fascinating development in smartphone technology, and its focus on battery life and display innovation is truly noteworthy. Here's a summary of the key points from the review. Week-long battery life. Using the Max Ink monochrome mode, this phone can last up to 7 days of active use or 28 days on standby. A game changer in smartphone longevity. Display technology. 6.8-inch FHD plus display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Nxtpaper technology reduces blue light and glare, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience while maintaining vibrant color reproduction. 2 monochrome modes. E-paper mode, glare-free, full-featured use. Max Ink mode, limited to 7 apps but maximizes battery life. Dedicated Nxtpaper Key, allows seamless switching between display modes, making it versatile for various use cases. Affordable price point. At $199, it offers exceptional value, bringing innovative technology to a budget smartphone market. There are still a lot of specifications that we're unaware of, but so far, here are the specs of the TCL 60XE Nxtpaper phone that TCL has revealed so far. Battery life. A phone that can last a week without a charge solves one of the most persistent issues in modern smartphones. Versatility. Switching between full color and monochrome modes caters to both media consumption and productivity. Health benefits. Reduced blue light and glare are ideal for prolonged screen time, improving eye comfort. Travel-friendly. With its extended battery life, this phone is perfect for travelers or those frequently on the go. The TCL 60XE Nxtpaper is not a flagship device, and its affordability might mean trade-offs in processing power or camera performance compared to premium phones. While TCL has pioneered Nxtpaper technology, its adoption in flagship phones from other manufacturers like Samsung or Apple seems unlikely unless TCL licenses it. The Nxtpaper 4.0 technology showcased in TCL's tablets may find its way into future smartphones, offering even better performance and clarity. If this technology becomes more mainstream, it could redefine how we approach smartphone displays and battery management. What are your thoughts? Would you prioritize battery life and a unique display like this over flagship-level performance? Please comment on this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.